So this afternoon, we're going to discuss how we're going to connect our MySQL Server database to my Visual Studio, okay? So first thing that we need to do is, of course, we open our Visual Studio. So we have here our panel, we have our picture box, we have our group box, where you can see it in our toolbox, no? So we use this as an active color lang. So let's go with the properties. So we select the back color as active. So we're going to select this one, the active caption. Save with the group box that we have. We assign this as back color. For the picture box, we have our source of that. We already know how to put a picture. So just select, choose an image, and import. We're going to select, we're going to get your pictures. Okay, so then import, okay lang po yan. Then we have here our text box, two text box, three labeled. We have username, password, and user type. So the last time with the critic that you sit on your in your one of your presentation, they're asking for the user type. So wala kang nalagay ng user type. So we have also our two buttons here, no? We have assigned the color for each button, no? As you can see here. And then we have the combo box, no? So how we can do that? First thing you need to do is you need to have your Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So we're going to create a database. So we've done already, sorry, we connect this one first, our database, and connect. Okay, so we have there already our database. Oops, wait. Looks like there's a problem with connect muna natin. Okay. Because where is our connect. Okay, so let us try to close it first. Let us try to open again our Microsoft Server. So let us try to run. Okay, so expanding, there you are. So we have done our example of our database, which is TestDB. So under TestDB, we created a table named TBL login. So let us try to look at this. Go to the design, and you have this content, no? And the result of that is we assigned it last time, the hobby, yes, for the username and the password. Now under TestDB, I'm going to create another table, which is we're going to close this one. Okay, we have under our TBL user, we have the username, the password, and the type. So we have our data type here. So allow lang natin na yun. So what I have done here is I put a value, which is the username is Balbador and the password is Balba123 and type is admin. So Caroline, Carol456, and technical support. So how we're going to connect this, make sure that this is running when you are connecting on your visual, no? So what you are going to do is you need to code this one. So for the login, okay, so this data source, how we come out with the data source, our database name is TestDB. So for public name, one string, we're going to call this technical support for the technical support user type, and for the admin, okay, and we have our code here, the connections of our MySQL, okay, which is found here. So we have already this one. So what will be the output if I have this code already done? No? So we're going to run our form 1 here. So as what I mentioned, we have Balbador and Balba 1, 2, 3 and admin. So we're going to select or type Balbador, and we have here our Balba 1, 2, 3. Example, what if I forgot, ma'am. Example, I write bulb 1, then admin. So what will happen? So the login will be failed because it will asking for the right username, the password, and the type, of course. Now, so we're going to write what's that? Bulb 1, 2, 3, and he's the admin, and then login. So as you can see here, we have Balbador, welcome admin. No, so we done in our form, which is this one. We name it as an admin home, which is this label 2 is pertaining for this one. Sorry, we're going to call, we're not going to double click this one. We're going to double click, wait, so we call it as name 1 as a string, no? So as you can see here, we enter our username, which is Balbador, okay, here. So our selected username, the first one is the admin, and the second one is the technical support. So as you can see, we have our query here. We're going to select the username, the password, and the user type that you have. So as you can see, we assign this label 2, welcome admin, and label 1. I name it as a label 1. Why? Because I'm going to call it here name is equals to text user. Wait a minute. So this one. So I call it, sorry, still running. So I call it as label 1, which is the name of the user, which is pertaining for the tech support, which is Caroline, is the tech support. No? So label 1, it will display the name of Caroline. So Caroline is one of a technical support in my example, no? So that is why you've seen here label 1. It will display here the word or the name of Caroline. So let us try to check it if it is correct. So try to log in. We have Caroline and Carol 456 for the password, and for the user type, she is a technical support and login. So as you can see, the Caroline, or the name of the name of the technical support, you are the one who logged in is Caroline. So that's why you have here Caroline. So ito po yun, no? The other one is for the, stop to run this one. The other one is for the admin is we have Balbador, and we have Balba 1, 2, 3, and he is an admin. So try to look at this, Balbador, welcome admin. So as you can see on our admin home, I have label 2 and label 1, which is welcome admin. So sinulat lang po ni ma'am. As you can see on our properties here, I just wrote this welcome admin, but this one is label 2, which is pertaining for the name of, what was that, the name of your admin, which is, sorry, the assigned name for the admin is Balbador and Balba.